to Yellow Dog, Pennsylvania. Literally in BFE. Like, we're in BFE right now. What's up, guys? It's Kelly, and I'm here with Given, like
Hello,
usual.
what is up, everybody?
But welcome to Yellow Dog, Pennsylvania.
This is amazing already.
We wanted to be explorers, and yeah, this is actually really cool. I'm nervous, there's people up there. Yeah.
I don't care. I mean, like, if they say anything, I'm just gonna try to respect them out. If you haven't already, consider smashing that subscribe button and leave a giant thumbs up.
I'm hella nervous just because there's like some people here, but there's usually no people that live here, but I guess the owner of this place does, and I really hope like he lets us do this because I've been wanting to do this for so long. So they actually do tours for $7 a person. So I'm actually about to go to my car right now, get my cash, and then me and Given are going on a little adventure.
A tour of Yellow Dog. That's actually.
I'm excited.
Actually, it's better because they probably know a lot more about this than we would. So like.
Yeah, I'm pretty stoked.
I'm down, actually.
I'm pretty stoked.
It's awesome.
Given, how excited are you?
Too many flies, first of all.
You're right. But
This is really cool. Like, we're getting a guided tour, so we're gonna find out a lot more than we would just like know from the surface. And literally just by looking at it, I can tell it's an adventure. Like,
thank you, Mom. Appreciate you.
Chimney here on the front, but the inside, you see where the stovepipe wall was. So you put a stove here and heat the front of the house. In the back of the house, where the other chimney was, here they put a hot water heater cabinet in. That bump out is the chimney. And it has a hole here, the stovepipe. So they had a cook stove here, but you can imagine cooking in the summer, how hot this room was.
Oh.
Even with the door open.
I didn't think about it.
with all that.
Just thinking about it.
Yeah. If you think about the
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online. My city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in. I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call. I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging. I've been keeping real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone. I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They going to school and they working a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box, nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get away, but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you, but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool, but they not new. Whoa, look how I go, gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, no I'm never.
This is definitely a little kid's room. Closet's creepy. That's a creepy closet. So cool, like highly recommend coming here. I personally feel like I could die down here.
Kelly's gonna be our guiding light.
You're welcome.
What is this? I think this is storm access.
Yeah, storm access.
Okay, well that makes more sense, but I just touched something wet. I don't think I know what it was.
Me either.
See, this would be such nice houses if they were still like.
I know.
There have obviously been more animals in this side.
Yeah.
Yuck.
Just a little. I think the walls look cooler here. Like.
So Yellow Dog was primarily a mining town.
Dude, I would love this for my room. This is my room. Okay, this is a complete change of scenery. This house is actually ready to kind of like move in. So this is actually pretty cool. I'm sweating profusely. I'm so sorry. Dude, I like these stairs. These stairs are nice. Okay. Me. This is me. Hello. This is me.
Drink your vitamins, kids. Ethanol is good for the soul. Oh, somebody left the door wide open.
Alright guys, we actually conquered Yellow Dog.
That was awesome.
Conquered it!
That was amazing. Urbex #1 is done.
Yo, go ahead and hit like, smash that subscribe button, join my family, turn on post notifications, that way you never miss a post, and always put them all on all time. What are you doing? Also, follow Given, subscribe to him, and follow all my social medias, which will be down in the description. Same with Given. So, yeah, we conquered it.
We did it.
We're done.
Peacekeeping with your goddamn vent.
Sorry, my car's broken. I need to fix that. But I'm sweating profusely. But
Me too.
we'll see you guys in the next one.